Hi everyone, welcome to TYG Trading. This is a note I record while I'm resting after I have finished preparing my trading plan. I like to share experience and story around trading. Can reduce my anxiety. Yes, I have anxiety as a reward from learning how to trade intensively. Hopefully, it will be useful to whoever want to join this field or just merely an entertainment. Today, I will share about becoming a trader, specifically in CFD. There is already so much bad information about CFD. I don't want to add more negativities since it won't change anything. Perhaps by sharing experiences and knowledge will help to neutralize the situation. Sometimes, with so much negativity, I wonder why CFD isn't banned completely. In my eyes, it is just short of leverage trading instruments, just like future and marginal trading that are available in many forms in the market. But I can understand when we look into CFD as an OTC product, by nature, it is less controlled compared to other instruments. I can actually compare CFD to other instruments that are much lessly controllable. But there is no point in bringing up this issue. It is all about perspective. We choose what we believe. So let me talk about a perspective when we want to step into the world of CFD. Point number one, what do we need to start trading CFD? The answer is knowledge. A lot of knowledge. We need to know what CFD actually is, how it is being operated, elements that have involvement with CFD. By knowing all this information, you will have a better understanding of all issues around CFD. All of these are available publicly on the internet, but we have to make sure the information comes from a trustable sources. When we already know the information, we have to familiarize all terminologies related to CFD, such as margin, long, short, broker, and so on. We also need to learn how to operate the platform. They are available freely for everyone, so this is one of the advantages for learning CFD. Once we already know the terminologies, the next thing is to learn technical analysis. This one is the most difficult for most beginners. It's time consuming and will affect our emotions dearly. Most of beginners will skip this part, go straight to trade market with real money. Lack of patience and dedication. These are the reasons why most CFD traders lose money. When a trader has proper education, the trader will always make money, but he mostly will be blinded with the potential of the CFD market. Our greediness is the culprit. It ruins our mentality, making many bad stories about CFD. But CFD has been polluted by mischievous people who want to trap beginners for profit. The basic skills for technical analysis are only identifying a trend and looking for momentum or opportunity. Simple, right? But these are not easy. The only way to learn them is by learning how price is moving in the market. This will take a long time and patience. Some will give up, but whoever can go through it will understand the principle. These people will be able to step into the next level. The next level is we have to learn how to identify trends and momentum before it happens. We learn those. from historical data. We can identify them easily because it happened in the past. The next challenge is how to recognize it with a little data. No other way, only by waiting the market patiently. Some also will give up, desperate and angry. But again, whoever can wait will be rewarded with a good attitude, discipline, and patience that is required for a successful trader. This will be a natural selection to determine who the real trader is. The final step is a self-realization about how to trade CFD markets properly. When we have figured out how the market is actually working and the limitation of our eyes to identify when to open and close positions have been removed, we will find out how to make profit by adjusting ourselves to market character. This will lead us to the discovery of money and risk management. When a trader can reach this point, a trader surely can make profit consistently. These are the minimum paths to be a trader. Some will enhance their skill by acquiring more knowledge, such as fundamental analysis. The more knowledge a trader has, better the skill for a trader to face the market. DYG out. If you enjoy my contents, feel free to subscribe and a like will be very much appreciated as well. You may also leave questions in the comment section. I will try my best to answer honestly.